Hello there. I hope you're doing well today. In this video, I'll show you how to grow potatoes at home using recycled containers.
Like, comment, subscribe, and let's grow something beautiful together.
I use a plastic cup and mix aloe vera gel with water to sprout the seed potatoes.
Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither.
Today, I'm using half of a cut paint bucket to grow potatoes at home.
One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter.
To help the seed potatoes sprout faster, I mix rice husks and worm compost into the soil. This makes the soil loose and nutrient-rich, allowing the plants to absorb nutrients better and grow more quickly. After soaking the potatoes in aloe vera water for 1 day, I plant them directly into the half 20-liter container.
Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world.
This is the stage where the plant is growing and starting to form tubers, so I add fermented fresh milk into the bottle to help the plant absorb nutrients and develop faster. After 45 days, it's finally harvest time. Let's harvest the potatoes together.
Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither.
It's amazing. The plant has produced so many big, beautiful potatoes. I'm really happy because the harvest is even better than I expected.
If you enjoyed this calm moment, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me keep planting more.